Let me know down in the comments below if you enjoyed this little recap right here. So for those of you that want to skip ahead, you can go ahead and do so, but you may miss out. First of all, we're talking about the HOLO chart, which you can see right here. I have my two price targets plotted out. The first one is up, or should I say the second one, at the previous all-time high level, and the first one right here around the $0.015 mark. Now, what's HOLO gonna do? Well, this is what I kind of expect. We had a nice downtrend line that we broke out, right? We had a nice fat zone of resistance around the $0.005 mark right here, which proved to be a very, very strong support. So I said resistance, I meant support. And we broke the previous lower high, right? This is the previous lower high level. Now, we are kind of moving downwards, but just the fact that we broke the previous lower high level means that I can say quite safely that we're going to probably move upwards in the near future. Now, obviously, I'm not a financial advisor or anything of that matter, but you know, just look at it logically. We're making lower lows and lower highs this whole time, right? And then at some point, we just make a higher high and a higher low. What does that mean? Well, it means we're not in a downtrend anymore, but right now we're in an uptrend. And the uptrend, you know, just made the first impulse. We're bound to get another one, or perhaps, you know, maybe a third one and a fourth one. And I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see. Now, what exactly is Holochain itself? It's an open source P2P app framework. So these guys are there for building not only blockchain apps, but other apps as well, using this HOLO technology. It's pretty cool, and it's very, very secure. So how it works is you install an app which signs and stores data on your device, literally on your device. You share your public data with a random set of peers who then validate the data against the app's rules before storing it. And if there's an invalid data response, there's a network-wide security response, which means that security is top-notch with this. So if you want to build an app, if you want to build a blockchain, everything is possible with Holochain. So the app devs are serverless, connectable, and very resilient, which you can read about, you know, if you want to actually get started on it. For blockchain, very configurable, scalable. We gotta love the S word, because how are you gonna run a blockchain with 1 billion people if you're not able to scale it to handle 1 billion transactions per day or something, right? Scalability, very important, and forkable, meaning that you can iterate it to perfection. Now, without getting into too much detail about Holochain, I think I made about a dozen videos on the channel. I do recommend you check it out. There was one just a few days ago, kind of popping off. I do recommend you take a look at it. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it, and I want to reach that 1.5k mark. So, you know, support your boy a little bit. Now, where can you actually purchase HOLO, and what's the market cap and all of these stats and stuff? Market cap is just under $1 billion, so I do see a lot of growth for this coin. It's the 90th on the market right now, judging by market cap, but I do expect it to go into the top 50 or even the top 20 in the near future. Now, where can you buy it? You can buy it on Binance. It's one of the largest exchanges out there, so check that out. And lastly, for today's video, moving into Bitcoin's price action, I'm going to teach you what the bull and bear flag is. So this right here is a bull flag, example. This right here is a bear flag, example. So what happens? Price is moving upwards, and then we break a zone or do something, and then we're making a consolidation. It's called a flag, it's called a pennant, whatever you want to call it. And then we break out and continue towards the upside. Now, how do you choose a target for your bull or bear flag? It's very simple. You just choose the staff of the flag, and then you move it to where it's supposed to break out from. So that's how you make a target for it, and it's called the minimum price objective. Same in a downtrend. So if you have a downwards move, like a very nice impulse, and then you have a consolidation in price, you know, buyers slowly picking back up, taking profits and stuff like that, but it gets squeezed once again and then it breaks out. Well, the same thing. So you take the staff of your flag very beautifully, just like this, and you put it down here to get your bearish target. Now, this bearish target is not the target only of this flag. Well, it's the target of Bitcoin's flag as well, if I may add. Now, all of these YouTubers may be telling you, yes, we're bullish, we're bullish, we're bullish, but you just got to look at the facts, guys. If we, you know, do one of these and find a strong support right here, only in that case are we bullish on Bitcoin. But if we break down below and find a resistance over here, well, in that case, we're most likely heading down to the 20k level. Why 20k? Well, because it was the previous all-time high level, and since we had an impulse from here and an impulse right here, we can only say that we will find some support around this level in the future. So that's it for today's video. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you did. Comment down below with your favorite thoughts. And lastly, I'm not a financial advisor, and anything you do invest in crypto, blockchain, or NFT projects is on your own liability, and you should do your own due diligence. So Thanks a lot for joining in, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.